Hello, Maori, and thank you so much for liking my Facebook page. My name is Lulu DeBoer, and I'm the director and producer of Millennium Island. Now, to give you a quick summary, Millennium Island is a documentary about climate change adaptation in a small country called Kiribati in the South Pacific. Kiribati was the first nation to see the Millennium Sunrise back in 2000, and it also became the first nation to have to completely evacuate because of climate change. Sea levels are rising, and the people have to go somewhere. The question now is the question of adaptation. How does one maintain a cultural identity when you are forced out of your homeland? And how does one remain a sovereign nation if you do not have any land to call your own? So these are the questions I'll be exploring, and I want to thank you all again for your kind support. Comments are welcome. Please continue to stay posted, and I will also continue to maintain postings along this journey of making this film. Sabua and takerai.